Okay, you guys, I am so excited because my winter FabFitFun box arrived, so let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So first, for those of you who don't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box that you get every single season, and it is jam-packed with over $200 worth of full-size products. Not little tiny sample products or travel-size products, but full-size products, and you get it for such a good price. It's normally $49.99, but if you use my code, you're gonna get it for $39.99. It's so great. I get it every single season. I get so excited. It's like holidays in a box to me. It's a big present for myself. So let me show you what I put in my box. But get this, each box is customizable, so you might not necessarily choose the same things that I chose. So make sure you go head on over to FabFitFun.com because you can see and choose the items that you want for your box. So I want to show you what I got. So I got this Frank Body Coffee Scrub. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to smell this stuff. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Now this is perfect for your shower in the morning. This is gonna wake you right up and get you ready to start your day. It smells like coffee. I love coffee. I can't wait to use this. So good. As you can see, a full-size product. Not little babies, but big boys. What else do I have in here? Oh my gosh. Okay, so Thirsty Hands. This is like a little hand mask that you put on your hands. I don't know if you guys know this, but your hands are the very first thing to age. I don't remember who told me that. Like, I've always remembered to put sunscreen on my hands for that reason. But now I have these little mitts, so I'm gonna try them out, and I can't wait to see what wonders they do for my hands. What else is in here? Oh my gosh, okay, so the makeup eraser. This is so cool. So what it is, let me open it up, it is this cloth right here. All you do is you add water to it, and then it will remove all of the makeup on your face. And what is so cool about it is that if anybody out there like has sensitive skin and maybe you've tried a makeup remover before and you've broken out or just your skin didn't react that well to it, this is perfect because you're just using water and it really does remove stuff. I've seen this thing in action and it is so good. What else is in here? Okay, this Prep Rally from Dry Bar. It is a like prep and detangler, so you spray it in your hair, style it, you're ready to go, and I gotta say, it smells fantastic. So this is in there. Look at this, full-size products. It's just so cool. Oh, also, I found this a lot of fun because I've just recently learned how to do my own eyeshadow. I didn't know how to do it before. But this is from Beauty Bakery, and it's called Proof is in the Pudding. But it is a eyeshadow palette with beautiful fall colors. I want to try some of these. Oh my gosh, I could totally like see doing this color, this butterscotch right here. Do you see? It's like a beautiful sheer color like on my eyelid. And then maybe I would go in, with the chia pudding. Gosh, this is making me hungry. And then like, oh my goodness, look at those colors. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this. It's so pretty. Okay, what else is in the box? Okay, these, we all know, winter time, you're sitting by the fire, maybe you're sipping some hot cocoa, and then your feet get cold, and you're like, I wish I had the perfect slipper. They're in the box. So I put these in my box. They're from PJ Salvage. They're just really comfy slippers. I love the gray color. I like that they're unisex, honestly. So like, maybe if you want to be nice, you could let your husband or your boyfriend borrow them and use them. But yeah, so soft in here and furry, and I know these are gonna keep my little feet warm all winter long. And then I am a true believer that you can never, first of all, how are there still more products in this box? Can you like believe that you can get all of this for $39.99 with my code? I just think it's so crazy. I don't know how they do it. FabFitFun, how do you do this? Please tell us. How do you do it? But I'm a firm believer that you can never have too many candles in your home, or even backup candles. Like I always have like a cupboard full of a bunch ready to go. And I just think they make really great gifts. But this one I'm gifting to myself. It is the holidays after all, right? So yes, it's this Jonathan Adler candle. It comes in this beautiful like porcelain jar. Oh, and it smells so fresh. I love this. It's like, I don't even know what the scent is, but it reminds me of like, I don't know, just fresh laundry or something. It smells so good. So that's in there. And this is a good sized candle. If you bought a candle like this at the store, I feel like it would be at least $40, if not more. So pretty much this candle pays for the entire box. Plus you get all this other stuff. It's crazy. I've been getting FabFitFun, I think for like 3 years now, and it just feels like it just keeps getting better and better and better. And I know you think it's over, but it's not. There's one more thing left, which is unbelievable, but it is these Baddington lashes. I love this style. Actually, do they look like my lashes? What do you think? I have falsies on right now. Do they look the same? But it comes with these beautiful wispy looking eyelashes and then glue, so you can try out a new pair of falsies and have those beautiful Baddington lashes. Get it? Baddington. Anyway, all this stuff, can you believe it? All of it. It's over $200 worth of full-size products. If you haven't been able to tell so far from this video how much I love FabFitFun, hopefully you do now. It's so great. Just use my code. You can get $10 off your very first box and get all of this for $39.99. And like I said, if you want to choose different products, you can. Go to FabFitFun.com and you can totally customize your box to get exactly what you want. And another thing that's really cool about FabFitFun, if you subscribe and become a member, you get exclusive access to member-only sales. You also get access to FabFitFun TV, which is so much fun. They do so many cool things on there. And you get to be part of the FabFitFun community, which is just a nice community to be a part of. I'm part of it. So make sure you use my code to get that $10 off your very first box at FabFitFun.com.